lesson on Pythagorean Theorem mathematics. Okay, so what is Pythagorean? Pythagorean Theorem was created by Pythagoras, a great mathematician. The Pythagorean Theorem formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, as you can see here. So for the triangle, the equation would always be a squared plus b squared because you're finding the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle, and it's always the opposite from the right angle. So it's always the right longest, as you can see from the leg, and leg A and leg B. So it's always the longest, and it's always the opposite from the right angle. Equation for Pythagorean theorem. For example, say if 8 squared 8 centimeters and 6 square meters is the leg A and leg B, and we're finding the hypotenuse, the equation would be a squared plus b squared equals c squared, because we're finding the hypotenuse and we have to use the same formula. So since A is equal to 8 squared plus 6 equals to b, 6 squared equals c squared. 8 times 8, because of the square, is equal to 64, plus 66 plus 6 plus 6 equals to 36, equals to c squared, and then together it equals to 100. And since the opposite for square root is square root, we have to find the square root of 100, which is 10. So the hypotenuse will be 10 centimeters. Okay. Finding the answer for the leg. So say for example, in one of the questions they say that they give you the hypotenuse and leg A. You have to find leg A. So you would have to use the equation a squared equals c squared plus b squared. Okay, so equation would be a squared equals c squared minus b squared. You're subtracting because when we change it to the other side, we're subtracting, so the opposite sign. So 12 squared minus 6 squared. So 12 times 12 equals to 144. The same equation because it's squared. And 36 again. So together they equal 108. And the square root will equal to 10.4. So the answer would be 10.4.